Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chris Kerrigan here, and today we are doing a dessert. Now, that's a little out of character for me. Baking is really not my jam, but this requires no baking. We're going to start with 1 cup of sour cream, and to that we're going to be adding 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 2-to-1 ratio. Go ahead and use that math for all your scaling needs. Now we're going to go ahead and whisk that up with what else? A whisk. We're going to remove all those brown sugar lumps. So I want to get that pretty smooth. Now we could dress this up for a night on the town with a little Grand Marnier. It would give it a sophisticated orangey hint, but we'll keep this one kid friendly. So into the fridge for about an hour to let the magic happen. Okay, the magic has taken place. Now we're going to assemble this difficult dessert, and by difficult, I mean easy. So a couple teaspoons of the sauce mixture into the bottom of a bowl. And to that, we're going to start adding some of our berries. Now I've got mixed berries here, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. You can mix and match, do whatever you like. Now, I've also, I'm using these tweezers to be all professional, and that didn't work. Okay, so we're going to add another little smattering of sauce over the top, a few more berries here, and we will complete that with another drizzle for shizzle. We're going to finish with a little bit of garnish here in the form of a mint leaf. Why? Because we know pretty food just tastes better. And in cooking, as in life, it's about the little things. So in cooking and in life, don't skip the garnish. That is so good.